HYCHIKA 30-meter garden hose. Thanks to HYCHIKA for sending this out for me to review on my channel. As always, my opinions will be honest. Here we have the user manual. Let's get it out first and then we'll have a look, see what we got. Hose attachment. And whatever that is, I'll find out shortly. There we have the part to fit to your outside tap. And this is the part that retracts into the unit itself. It's on a spring. Pull it, let it go slightly. And it will lock in place. So you can remove as much as you need for the garden. And then it fully retracts. There is your runner system inside. I'll show you this action working better when we fix it onto the wall. Also comes with your wall bracket. And your fixing bolts. And a tap adapter. Very good quality, very good build quality. 30 meters long, like I said. I will leave a link in the description where you can get it off their Amazon page. So let's get it fitted and give it a full test. First, drill a small pilot hole with a small drill bit before moving on to the bigger drill bit. Just creating the pilot holes. Now using my DeWalt SDS with an 8mm drill bit for the correct size to fit the bracket. The tape on the drill bit is so I get the correct depth for the wall plugs. It would have been nice if it came with washers in the pack, but it doesn't, unfortunately. But yeah, that needs washers on it. Just be careful not to over tighten because it's going into plastic. Last thing you want to do is split this bracket. Just got to feel for the right tightness. And it's as simple as that. And fitting is as easy as that. But yeah, good quality. Just hope this bracket holds. It's solid enough at the moment. Would have liked to have seen washers, bigger washers, but that's all I had. But it's solid. Only time will tell. But you do get a warranty with it. But yeah, it's fitted. Hopefully everything's okay. So to retract the hose pipe, simply pull on it and allow it to go all the way back. It'll feed in automatically, as you can see, going back and forth, so it doesn't tangle. So yeah, it's a great hose pipe, 30 meters long, fully retractable, very well built. If you like the video, please leave a like and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.